Yo everybody, what's up? We are going to watch a little flow roll with me and a buddy Ibrahim. So let's do it. It's just a first round, pretty much light roll, but it's a live roll. So here, starting in butterfly guard, trying to get my off balance, my hip heist, get a kneel donkey, sit back through. There we go. Just takes a little forward pressure from your opponent. Here I throw my left leg over, break the posture, then use that to sit right back up. Start attacking the head. Next thing comes, it's a little Kimura trap, head post. I get 2 reverse back hooks and he turns to flatten himself out, but I don't let him. Ibrahim's a great survivalist. Great tendencies. Turtle and single legs and Granbies, stuff like this. There I was able to trap his defending hand, and then it's a race to the choke. Here again, playing butterfly, feet on the hips, butterfly, wrist control, looking for an overhook. There, turning my back entirely, bad idea. Here we go. Now I got the overwrap on the leg, roll through. I think Ryan just posted a video about that like a day ago, the same day I took this video on that back take, but Ibrahim escaped it. Now here I've got old school arm type throw. What am I doing here? What am I playing around with? Just having fun. Looking for Kimura. That Kimura always leads to the buggy. Oh, nope. We'll go for the triangle instead. I thought I was thinking buggy. I was thinking buggy right now. But I'll actually point out a couple of buggy uses in this roll in a minute or two. Pull up those trousers. Tuck them in. Ibrahim tries to step up, I just give him a frame. Time for a step pass there, oh yeah. Yep. Pummeling my feet. I think I went into half guard there, that's nice, that's fine. Ibrahim goes for the Kimura, I pull my elbow through. Trap that arm for the crucifix. And I believe I'm reaching over and grabbing his wrist for a bicep slicer. That's a nice submission there. That one hurts. You always give your good white belt training partners a little something to remember, right? Passing through right to that scoop grip, and I'm gonna get the choke with that. Again, I take supine, land some Z. Ibrahim tries to roll. Able to re-guard again. Here's the Kimura. As soon as Ibrahim brings his left arm over my hip, there we go. Now we're in the bug. The old Bugsy Mogs. And then hit him with that little hip push and a sweep overhead. Something was weird there. He said it felt like his arm was gonna snap, but I don't know. Here we go again, playing some more guard. Oh, here we go again, me looking for a Kimura grip on a far arm. Oh, reverse buggy choke. That's not gonna do well. Oh, slipped out, but I'm able to turtle. I believe I'm gonna hit this Granby 101 here. Yep. Oh, DM me if you want to learn how to do a proper Granby. I'll teach you a private lesson or two. $100 an hour. Learn how to Granby roll correctly. Here we are back in the buggy choke. Back in the buggy position. Now this looks like it might be a regard. Oh, but he rolls through to avoid the attack. Sorry if my microphone wasn't directly in front of my face. This thing's very, directive. Gets out of the crucifix. We're just flowing through the positions here. Like I said, Ibrahim's got good survival tendencies. I'm just trying to cover him, cover chest to back. There's some foot pummeling to mount. Now to the back. He tries to get away. I chase him down. Goes to roll. I hip heist, and we're back. Great work, great work. Go for the Kimura roll, but we stop halfway and just sit. Trying to use the head to regard or pass his guard so he doesn't regard. Here he's trying to trap. We're just playing the pass and repass game. Guard and regard, pass and pass. Here's some neon belly. He goes to turtle. Roll through. Gives me the free bottom hook. Get that tap. This roll ended up being a few minutes longer than a normal round is at the end of class, just because the timer I forgot to set it, or it overlapped for some reason. Now he's playing some guard. Tries to go for the spin. Doesn't get an entanglement and allows me to sit back up. Working the knee slice again. And here's actually something fun. He traps this Kimura grip well. Once I pass. So that's actually a nice trap. I like that trap. But this is a cool thing I learned from watching Lachlan Giles. You just free this bottom arm, and then I can spin all the way through. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. That's fun. Right here I realize the timer's not going anymore. I'm like, this seems like a little bit more than 5 or 6 minutes. So I'm like, let's go. Maybe get some quick submission here. Check out our timer. I'm like, come back, I got something to do. Goes for that sit up. Gives me the free 411. Sorry, I'm getting lazy with my face and mic positioning. And here we just got double trouble, the old traditional 411. And we go for that tappy tap, and that's that. And I crawl over, I'm like, what the fuck happened? Thanks for watching, guys. Check you later. Go grapple.